Somebody mention birds? Hi there birdies, and welcome back to another little video. This time today, a different bird. This is a yellow-eared spiderhunter. And before we get into it, I will just apologise that some of the videography in this video is not so good. It's a little bit shaky. It was a very windy day and these birds just never keep still. The yellow-eared spiderhunter is predominantly a southern bird, but also found here on the west side of Thailand along the borders with Myanmar or Burma. The yellow-eared is a largish spider hunter with yellow eye rings and a similarly coloured tuft on its cheek. The bill is bicoloured, pinkish at the base and darker towards the tip. Their habitat tends to be various forest types, including peat swamps, forests, mangroves, secondary forest, forest edge, and banana plantations and gardens, usually from sea level up to about 1,400 metres. Their diet, as the name suggests, includes insects and spiders, but more often than not you'll see them feeding on nectar and pollen, and also particularly the flowers of the banana tree. If the banana is a tree. Somebody told me bananas are not trees. But there you go, that's where you're going to find them. So this one I found feeding on this banana flower, and also was sharing it with this female olive-back sunbird. A few other birds that I recorded here include this one, which is the black-hooded oriole. And these are oriental pied hornbills, which also came down for a few of the bananas. Lastly here, a nice surprise was this green-billed malkoa, which actually came right out into the open, sunning himself, which is not often seen, as usually they skulk around inside the trees and bushes and rarely show themselves too much. Anyway, we mustn't forget if you want to see the bird, learn the sound. So here we go. So that's just about it. As I say, it's only a very short video today with a couple of other species. So, as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget the usual, and a special thanks to two of my supporters, Mr. Sevin and Mrs. Yukiko from Japan, who this week purchased a couple of mugs from the shop, and I'm sure they're going to be very, very happy with them. Right, anyway, as I say, that's all for now. See you on the next one. Bye for now.